Good morning, you guys. It is Vlogmas day 9. That is insane. I'm wearing my Vlogmas sweatshirt once again. I really need to do my hair. I took a shower last night at literally midnight, but I really needed to do it because I don't really like blow drying my hair because it's extra heat. I mean, I will if I have to, but I just prefer to let it air dry and kind of like towel dry it and sleep in it, and yeah, it's fine. I just need to seriously curl it this morning, and then we're going to be headed over to the bank. And I think today, well, like I know today that I have to clean my room, so I think that's what we're going to be doing, and putting ornaments on the tree. Plus I have to go to work at 4 o'clock, and when I get out I am actually going to be going to the gym, so I might as well bring you guys with me, and that is the agenda for today. Let's just get started. Okay, so first off, I gotta put on my Aquaphor. Okay guys, so I've been a busy little worker bee because I have just filled some of the stockings. So here's Xavier's stocking, here's Moma's stocking. Hers is like looking pretty good, not gonna lie. And here's Dad's stocking. His is okay, still need to work on it. So far I've just done my hair and filled stockings, and I've kind of like prepped for wrapping my dad's Christmas present, but yeah, that's as far as I've gotten. But I actually want to show you something. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. So 2 days ago on Saturday in the mail, I got this. It is the I was watching Fuller House on here. I didn't get a mystery box because I couldn't get my hands on any of the mystery boxes. They were just sold out. It was insane. But I managed to get my hands on this. It is the 5-year anniversary edition of Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the holiday colors. So it says what every single color is on the back. So Drug Lord is the white color, Doll Parts is the nude, Androgyny is this middle color that's also a nude, but it's a little bit darker. The green, I believe, is called Mistletoe, and then the red is called Ho Ho Ho, but it's spelled like this. So I'm really excited. I already own Drug Lord because I love using that to cut my crease, but I'm the most excited about this one, the green one, and I'm not going to be putting it on my lips. As I've said in previous videos, the Jeffree Star liquid lips are eye safe, so I'm probably going to be using that as an eyeliner. I'm really excited to just mess around with Christmas looks. But I think that red is really pretty, and Androgyny is going to look beautiful. I'm a little bit hesitant on Doll Parts, but we'll just see how it comes out. But I ordered this on Thanksgiving and on Black Friday, when everything, Black Friday or Cyber Monday, one of the two, when everything, the whole website, I think it was Cyber Monday, when the whole website was 25% off and free shipping, actually decided to splurge a little bit more, like even more than I just did, and I decided to purchase one of the concealers. I've been hesitant on trying out his face line and everything with the concealers and the setting powder, but I figure why not, since it's 25% off plus free shipping. So I got the color C13, and I'm really hoping that it's a good match for me for a concealer, and we'll just see. But here is what the Christmas tree currently looks like. Isn't it so beautiful, the angel up there? I was so nervous climbing up the tree yesterday to put it on there. I swear that ladder just made me 2 feet taller. So I was basically 7'3" yesterday. But there are no ornaments yet. I have no idea when we're going to do ornaments. I hoped for it to be today, but I don't know. It doesn't really look like it. And then I come over here and look in the fridge, and I find well, not sushi, but they're California rolls, and if they're for me, Oh my gosh, if these are meant for me, I'm gonna be so happy. If they're not meant for me, if I just get one, I'll be pretty happy still. So these are currently updates on the room. It is surprisingly not as bad as it used to be. I just did my laundry. I don't know why, but specifically around the holiday season, I love Peanuts. The Peanuts characters, I just associate with Christmas right off the bat. It's not Christmas unless I have my Charlie Brown Christmas tree. And then I do need to, if it'll focus, I do need to just save these jackets and sweatshirts and cardigans, but other than that, we're good in regards to this chair. Don't worry, that'll be done by the end of the day. I need to just go around my room and basically drink all of these bubblies. They're probably flat, but the flavor is still there, so I'm probably just going to be doing that. And then I have all of this. Some of it is top secret, shush shush on the down low. And then some of it I can actually show you. That is for Xavier. I really hope he likes it. He liked it last year, the Jack Black products that he stole from my dad, essentially. And then here's the aftermath of Candle Day. Oh my gosh. And then here is fresh balsam from Bath & Body Works. And I actually need to use one of those things that cuts the wick. So I should order one off of Amazon because this is actually not really that great for the candles. Is this empty? Nope. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have in my retainer, so I have a little bit of a lisp. So much has happened since, oh my gosh, I need to take out my retainer. The lisp feels awful. Ew. No. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. The lisp was terrible. Oh my gosh. So you may be wondering about my hand. This actually happened at work. It is literally about to be 1 a.m. I went to the library to upload and I started editing another video. I'm trying to get back on top of everything. I'm trying to catch up. I'm sorry. But it's it was really hard for me to type and everything on my computer. It was ridiculous. I should have recorded that. That was hilarious, kind of, not really. But we decorated the tree before I went to work, we decorated the tree. I'll show you that tomorrow. Well, today, technically. But I'm ending the vlog right here. I just wanted to tell you what happened because I straight up legit feel like Nightcrawler from the X-Men. This looks terrible. Or I could be from Star Trek, but I would have needed to tape it to this or this and be what? You know, but it just feels weird. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, how this happened. So I tore a nerve, apparently, in my finger, in my index finger. So it's it started to swell a lot. And this happened at work. Oof, it hurts so badly. Then I came home, I put on horse ligament of all things, and I had to wrap it and I had to take ibuprofen. So here, let's hope that I feel better tomorrow. I hope it looks better tomorrow. It did not look good at all. It straight up looked like a Jimmy Dean sausage. I swear, it was just so sad, and then I got all emotional and started crying. I actually got what I ordered from the Dutch Brothers website, so I will be sharing that with you in the morning, but I just wanted to hop on here and say good night, and yeah, I hope you all have an amazing Christmas. Bye. See you tomorrow.